Hey guys, this is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the trash receptacle kit on the John Deere Z735M. So this trash receptacle kit is one thing that is probably not very often thought of when we're thinking about these zero-turn mowers. It can actually be a very handy attachment to go along with your mowers. As we're talking, we're going along, we're mowing these yards, maybe we're that contracted mower and we're having to pick up things as we go. But with this kit, you're going to get the clamp here that you can easily use from the seat. You're also going to get the 5-gallon bucket here. And then of course you're gonna come with your mounting bracket that's going to have a space for your bucket and also for your clamp there. So the install for this is very simple. As we see here on this part of the bracket, we've got a hole here and then a hole on the bottom. And this is simply just going to notch over here on the right-hand side of the mower on our arm that is angled. Now what you want to do is make sure that you're getting that flat piece of the back of the bracket here, the flat piece here up against the flat piece of your angled wheel out here on the right hand side of the mower. So we're just going to slide that on, get that to where that's sitting flat. Then we want to make sure and slide that over to where it is making contact with our caster over here on the right hand side. And then once we have that in your kit, should be one long bolt and one locking washer that we're going to simply just put down and through, and then start our nut on the bottom here. And then once we have that started, we're going to need a 13mm socket and a 13mm wrench to get that tightened down. So we're going to want to make sure and get this pretty snug just to make sure that it's not moving around on us. And then once we've got that to where that's not going anywhere, we know that we're good and firm in place. Now, the only other thing that we have to add to this bracket is going to be a holder clip, just like this. And we'll have one small screw and lock nut to mount this right here on the top of our bracket so that we can clip in our clamp here to where we can have that on board. So what we're going to do is just take this clip, put our small screw down and through that middle hole, just like so. Get that put through our hole here at the top, and then go ahead and start our nut on the back side. And then to get this tightened down, you're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a 9mm socket and ratchet. All right, then once you've got that good and snug, that is all there is to the assembly of the kit. Now you'll notice that this bracket is pushed in on each side, which is nice for our bucket. We actually get a good solid grip there on that 5-gallon bucket whenever we set that down and in. And then what you'll also notice is that on these two pieces of the bracket here, we have these holes. This is going to be good for putting a bungee cord through. You just put your handle over here on the side in between these two brackets, and then you can put a bungee cord through that and through your handle to make sure that this bucket stays in place. And then we can go about mounting our picker or our clamp right into the bracket just like that. And that clamp should be enough to hold that in place. But if you're worried about that bouncing out, it should catch here on this bottom hook. But if not, there is also a hole right here that will work for an easy bungee cord as well if you want to wrap that around, just to make sure that that's not going to go anywhere on you while you are moving this mower throughout the yard. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, we just asked you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're looking into or wanting one of these trash receptacle kits, it's going to be part number BUC 10303, and you can get one of these at 247parts.com, so make sure to check that out. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.